बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। इनके आने से पहले इनकी तारीफें फैल जाती हैं। फरीदाबाद में इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, गौशाला बनवा के और TFA यूनिट शुरू करवा के। अब हम इनसे यही चाहते हैं कि ये गुड़गांव में भी ऐसा ही कुछ हो, सो दैट हम एनिमल हेटर्स, एनिमल लवर्स सब खुश रहे। मैं सर से अनुरोध करूंगी कि आप कुछ 2 शब्द बोलें।
जिस धंधे में मैं हूँ उसमें टॉल क्लेम्स करना बड़ा स्वाभाविक है, और जो कुछ हम लोग बोले हैं उसको लोग पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट से लें, ये भी बड़ा स्वाभाविक है। पर सच ये है that the vision that we have for Gurgaon, and we are not talking about a very long-term vision, we're talking in terms of months, maybe weeks from now, is that Gurgaon should get branded in these matters as a city where you cannot find a stray cattle, a stray pig on the road, on the street. They'll all be properly housed somewhere. Facilities to house them for cows, the facility is already up and functioning. For pigs, the facility is under erection and should be on in another week's time. And in the last 7 months, we have, working with Municipal and TFA, already sterilized over 7,500 street dogs. 7,500. In fact, it is for Municipal and TFA to say, if they have got better cooperation from or release, I don't want all claims to surrender. I need more people like you. I need more people like you, and now that's the vision we are working on. That requires a lot of work. So therefore, any kind of volunteer activity which is available by itself is always welcome. And I thank you all for having found time on this weekend, and there were better things to do, but you chose to invest your time in it. Even this goes a long way forward in helping us achieve our vision. We don't seek any donations, we're not short on financial resources, but at the same time, I'll give example without naming of one colony, where the love for animals has been so excessive, sometimes even parents can falter on the wrong side of loving their kids. Sometimes spouses can love each other so much that the love becomes a destructive force. Sometimes it can happen between a parent and a child. Please watch out for that. That they began to overlook and brush under the carpet the terror which was there in the colony, the terror of a particular dog going to bite some kids and some maids or something. And they would either not see the terror or interpret it as the usual hatred for animals. So please watch out for it. We should love animals, and all the time we should do our best. But once in a So thank you very much. God bless. Keep volunteering, keep loving animals, but guard against that small little opportunity. And anywhere you need any assistance from the government, please trust us, please count on us. Just let us know and it will be made available. Thank you.